Hey guys, what's up? Shadjuice here. I'm going out with Mikey back there. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
We're gonna go gotta go to my storage unit because for some reason a Halloween costume sold again. I didn't sell none all year, and then I sold two after Halloween, which is weird. But we're gonna go grab that, drop a couple things off there. I'll show you my storage unit because I haven't showed it yet, I don't think. And then we're gonna hit up a couple thrift stores, see what happens. And then probably throw in some what solds at the end of this video. I'm kind of running out of ideas, guys. What do you guys want to see? I know my main thing is garage sales, but that just ain't happening now. It was like 11 degrees last night, so it's back to the crazy weather in Ohio. So let me know what you guys want to see, and let's go on a little journey.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Alright guys, we're at the storage unit. Mikey's gonna get the door open. I'm bringing back these nativity blue molds. I didn't get them listed. I don't feel like messing with them, so we're gonna shove them back in here. Then I'm gonna throw this cool gear seat in here because I don't think we're messing with that anytime soon. So give you the grand tour. It's only a 10 by 10. I wanted a 10 by 20, but they were just full. I don't know how it is in your area, but COVID and stuff has just been, people have been needing storage units, so this is all we got in here. Got a little light. Got pretty much in here. You see I got some of my garage sale stuff. My Bengals light. Not too organized. Only got a couple shelves in here. Got a bunch of tubs. So yeah. This is the grand tour. I picked up this portable AC unit for like 10 bucks or 13 bucks it says. So yeah, this is an exciting storage unit. First stop, good old Salvation Army. We gotta get some stuff. Yeah. All right, let's go get them. Here, want a party girl stickers? Eh, you a party girl? No? I ain't saying much new to that. It's like a rhino hangs on the wall.
Administration study of the Vietnam veterans from what survivors call post-traumatic stress disorder and sex complaint of alienation, rage, or guilt. Suicidal thoughts. 8 to 10 years after coming home, almost 800,000 men are still in the Vietnam War.
D, there's going to be somebody coming around the back now.
to let my people go. Looks kind of old. We'll look it up. I'll put out some VHS. Alright guys, the only thing I found in that Salvation Army, I walked up in this picture frame, and from the looks of it, it's definitely a t-shirt. It's rock fabric, energy of sound. So, that's some kind of band or something from Germany. Don't know if the shirt's old or not, but I said, we'll take a chance for $3. It's taped up, so I'm just gonna rip it open. See what happens here. It's definitely a shirt. Stapled in there. Oh man, they cut it too. Damn it. See that? Ain't worth opening now, is it? Damn. Ain't that something? That's a chance you take sometimes, guys. I didn't expect the shirt to be all cut up. Wow, cut the shirt up and put it around the cardboard. Ain't that some crap? Ain't even got a tag on it or nothing. Damn. What a waste. Well, that was a waste, wasn't it? Look at that. Can you believe that? We just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah.
I went over there the first time to
look
fight
at this.
it.
Yeah, you gotta look at
And
it. Yeah.
the cop
Look at
wasn't
this. Yeah,
there.
right. Because he had to look at it first.
He didn't show.
I doubt it was a single stitch. I can't even tell. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Well, we tried, guys. Sometimes you flop, huh? St. Vincent Paul we go. Let's tore it out. It's crammed in this place. That's not a party, that's one of them farting things or something. Limited edition press pass Tony Stewart. Kind of cool, but I guarantee it's not worth $5. So we'll show you what we grabbed so far. Getting this Sounds of the 80s by Time Life. It's 3 discs. Anytime you find Time Life music stuff, it usually does pretty good. I would say at least $20 on that. And we got an old Linux OS 2nd edition. What year is this from? Year 2000. For $2. I know I can make some money on that. Not sure yet, but that's all we've grabbed so far. Nothing too crazy in here. Bunch of trucks and stuff. A turtle. So if we find anything else, we'll let you guys know, right, Mikey? Hey guys, just want to show you. I got the Time Life and the Linux thing. Then I was walking out, I seen this at the bottom of a shelf, the P90X. It's got all 12 discs in it. And we paid $1 for this, $1 for that, and $2 for that. So $4 and some change, at least $50 profit. You agree? All right. Not much out for thrifting today. We'll probably add some more stuff to this video. Alright guys, it's currently Sunday around noon. I'm going to show you what has sold since, what, Friday? Or probably Christmas to Sunday. I haven't been listing anything. But we've got 18 sales to go out. Like I said, it's only noon, so I can have some more today on Sunday. I'm going to try to list a few things today, but let's get into it. Got this National Wildlife Turkey hat. Turkey Federation snapback hat. It's got a couple pins on it, like Winchester 25th anniversary and a 2000 sponsor. I picked this up for $1, and we got $17.95 plus shipping on it. And this is a game that I've cleaned with my Eco Pro. Got Dragon Ball Z Budokai 3. This was complete and went for $24.95 free shipping. Then it's another game I cleaned up. We got Warriors Orochi 2 on the PlayStation 2. This is a Koei title. It was complete. I thought I listed it for $16.95 free shipping, but I guess I left shipping on it and somebody paid it, so that was a good sale there. We got this Disney Lion King snow globe here. This is the Hakuna Matata one. It's from 1994. I think I paid $5 for this at the Salvation Army. And it finally sold for $40.45 plus shipping. So I don't really like shipping snow globes, but these are easier. The ones that have like the figures coming out, like stuff coming out the sides and hands and arms and stuff, them are really tricky sometimes, but this one's pretty easy. It's all, you know, all together. So that was a good sale. Next up, we got Donkey Kong Country Returns on a Wii. This was missing manual. Still got $18.95 free shipping. And we got Lord of the Rings Battle for Middle-earth 2. If you didn't know, this is a good one to look out for. I got this at a flea market for $1, and it needed fixed. So when I got that machine, I cleaned up all the discs, and I realized I was missing disc 6. So I spent $5 on eBay and got disc 6. So I only got $5 in here, and you know, a little bit of cleaning time, and we got $44.95 free shipping. So make sure you look out for that one. That's a good one. If you remember, I picked up these ink at Valley Thrift. I think I got like $3 into both of these. They sold for $19.95 plus shipping. They're actually selling through the GSP. Like I said, these are expired ink from May of 2016. Expired ink sells, guys. I probably wouldn't go more than like 5 or 6 years, but I don't know, people still buy it. So it's a way to get it cheaper. We got a Mario Kart on the Wii with the wheel. Is another game I fixed. I've been getting $10 extra on these games just adding a wheel. So if you got extra wheels laying around, it's definitely worth it. Because that game goes for about $25, and I got $34.95 with the wheel plus £2 priority shipping. So definitely a good sale there. This was in that big $320 buy I got. This is a electronic tough talking thing from Fantastic Four. We got $44.95 for him plus shipping. Finally sold this. This is a NBA 2K11 with Jordan on it on the PS2. Got $11.65 free shipping. I think the 2012 version goes for more, around $20. We got Ape Escape 2. This was missing manual. It's another game I fixed. It's in the Blockbuster case, which I think people kind of like that. See, it says Blockbuster in there, the rental case. The only thing bad about these rental cases is when they had the manuals in them, they don't fit, so they're all crunched up. But I still sell them, and I always disclose that. See, I purchased it for $12.99 at Blockbuster. See what else we got here, guys. Got Get some more stuff on this table. Alright. Next up, this was my original disc for Master P 99 Ways to Die. I was a huge No Limit Records fan back in the day, so I got like all of them. Well, my wife has a few too, but hers are in mint condition. So I took this out of my collection and cleaned it, and we got $24.95 free shipping on it. Old rap CDs, man, you can make some money. Sold another Kat Von D. This is a Light 13 Cool. This is a concealer cream. Like I said, I got big box of this stuff at a rummage sale for 50 bucks, and I'm well over $800 in sales and have a ton left. So that was a great pickup. We got Mutt and Junkyard from G.I. Joe. This is from 1989. It was on sale. Got $17.05 plus $3.99 shipping. I actually have, give you a sneak peek. Well, you probably ain't gonna see much, but this whole thing's filled with old vintage, like minty G.I. Joe stuff. I paid huge money for it, and it might have been one of my biggest mistakes I ever made. I'm not sure, but I ain't even touched it, so. All right. I got these in like 2019 at a sale. These are vintage cover-ups. They're like Halloween costumes. It's from 1988. This is from the Pillow People. This is Mr. Sandman, I think, or Sweet Dreams. I don't know. Anyways, the guy ordered this one. I've sold 2 of these. I haven't sold none of them until after Halloween this year. They sat for over a year and didn't sell any. I have the Tasmanian Devil, all kinds of stuff. But we got $11.65 plus shipping. I have $1 into each one of these, I think. So what I did last time, I folded it up, put it in a big poly mag, and put some bubble wrap around it, and I guess it got there fine. So this is a lot of NCAA team patches. You'll see it in the picture I posted up here, but had Tar Heels, Michigan, Miami Hurricanes, Notre Dame. This is in a big lot of patches I got over the summer. Most of it was like Boy Scout and like old RC plane stuff. I got them all for 10 bucks anyways, and I got $26.95 for this lot plus shipping. So now we're in the profit on one sale. Got this Fitbit Flex. It's brand new. Got it at the Salvation Army recently for $3.99, and we got $39.95 for that plus shipping. So great sale there. And the last sale is this Bee Mime. It's like a little porcelain doll of a mime. I got this at Salvation Army for $1. Couldn't find any. I think I found one comp on WorthPoint or something, but ended up selling global shipping program for $26.95 plus shipping. So that was a great sale. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Let me know if you want to see more of this what sold stuff. I know it gets kind of repetitive, but people learn stuff in there. This is how I learn stuff. So I would turn the camera around. I ain't got my hat on, my hair all messed up, so you ain't catching me slipping today. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please leave a comment below, hit that thumbs up. Hope you guys are having a good day. Peace.
Perfect.